assessment tells us that para-nitrophenol is 10 times more acidic than meta-nitrophenol. How can we explain this outcome? When we deprotonate both of these oxygens, we'll end up with an O- charge. And that O- charge can be stabilized with resonance 3 different places around the benzene ring. To be each carbon on either side of the oxygen and then the 1 carbon para to the oxygen. That's true for both the para and the meta versions. When the negative charge is para to the oxygen in the para-nitrophenol version, we can take that negative charge and we get an extra resonance contributor with the nitro group. Because a negative charge can be stabilized with more resonance contributors in the para-nitrophenol version and cannot in the meta-nitrophenol version, that makes the conjugate base of para-nitrophenol more stable than the conjugate base of meta-nitrophenol. And a more stable conjugate base leads to a stronger conjugate acid. Therefore, the conjugate acid para-nitrophenol is more acidic than meta-nitrophenol.